All right, people ask me how to get those customers. If you guys digital, just you don't like to walk up there, you don't like feed, like how it says, the wolf been feeded by his legs. So the wolf walking in the forest, find that prey, he gets some food, he's happy. But if you're one of those lazy wolves who's sitting at home, this is another big tip for you. If you do digital stuff, go ahead and on ChatGPT or Google and ask those 50 questions about massage therapy. What people truly ask about, what's the most asking questions about massage therapy? And it's going to be all different stuff. You're going to be surprised, like how much I should tip the massage therapist. Should I tip massage therapist? What kind of pressure should I ask for massage therapist? Can I cancel my massage during massage? And stuff like that. And you get some idea about those 50 questions, and what you do, you just find those answers and you posting on your social media, on your computer, on your website blog, on your Google My Page, on Yelp, whatever. They will find you. And of course, link to your service to when the people can book you. Because if I'm a client and I have a questions about the pressure, I will go and type it, what pressure should I use? And guess what? Your blog or your article comes up because you get the answer on this question. And it's really popular because, like I said, 100 or 50 questions. 100 is going to be a little bit maybe too much. You're going to spend a lot of time. It's going to take you like a couple of months to complete that. But 50 questions, why not? So answer this question, post it. People will find you. You get that backlink, and you get some traffic through your whatever you advertise, whatever you try to get the people in, social media or website. Blogs on the website also great. It's still working. It's still backup link. You can also posting on those social platforms on the Facebook, Instagram, all different groups. Redditors love those kind of articles. It's a lot of platforms when you can post it. So use the tip to boost your presence in your area. And of course, yeah, don't forget to put your locations. It's not just like let's say you serve Los Angeles, so you put some pressure in for massage in Los Angeles area, because people will be, the Google will particularly going to help you to find your article in your area. So I hope this tip is going to help you guys. Use it, enjoy it, get some customers, get some busy stuff, busy your practice, and enjoy this practice. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.